All right, team, let's get these bulls settled. Watch the left side, bring it back slow. Ramps are locked.
Easy now, keep moving straight. Watch your spacing on the right.
Check the flow rate on station 4.
Reading stable. The automated valve is holding steady.
Feed intake looks stable across the board. The new automated schedule is working perfectly. Check the vitals on workstation 3.
Vitals are stable, Doctor. Ensure the horn scan is complete before we move him.
The next group is ready for processing. Confirmed. Ensure the path is clear.
Moisture levels are optimal on this batch. Approved for cutting.
At Finding Solutions, precision is paramount. Our computerized laser guides ensure minimal waste and maximum efficiency.
The finish on these is incredible.
Yeah.
Stunning. Absolutely stunning.
Yes.
The client will be very happy with this arrangement.
This leather texture is truly premium.
It highlights the craftsmanship of Finding Solutions.